Hi everyone!
Welcome back to Luna's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We will talk about
Divisibility
divisibility rules
for
part
3!
So we talked about 2 before, now we're talking about number 3. So it is of course mental math. We always talk about the mental math. Instead of working so hard, you just have to use some strategies.
Oh yeah, I just want to show you something. I have 3 things with me.
Diamonds.
Just come a little bit closer to see.
That's your gems. Okay, so let's practice, Lena. So what is the rule for divisibility for 3? Rule number 1 is, can you please read?
A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3.
Sum of its digits. Interesting. Let's see.
Sum. Yeah. The sum. What it equals.
Yeah. So for number 2, it was like even and odd number, right? And for here,
yeah, you could watch the number 2 one. That was our first video.
Okay. So example, consider the number 96624. So as it says,
sum of the digits.
Sum of them. So 9 plus 6
wait. So first, for the example for 3, is first you have to add up all of these numbers. And it equals 27 for our numbers.
So is 27 divided by 3?
And then we'll divide it. And the answer is 0.
Yeah, 27 is division by 3.
Yeah, it is divisible. 9 divided by 3, 9 times 3 equals 27.
Yeah, so it's easy. You don't have
remainder
to keep on going, right?
The remainder is
0.
0.
Okay, next. So check with long division. Consider the number. Yeah, now let's try. So we got the 27. If you add that, and then it's divided by 3. So now let's see the actual division.
This one will be 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. And then now we times that, which is also 9.
Yeah.
So we minus it, which is 0, and this one's 6. And then t equals 6. It will be 2.
It will come 2. Yeah,
yep.
3
times 2 is 6.
Yeah.
And then we just times these two numbers. 2 times 3 equals 6. And then minus it, which is 0. And then we add another 6. We have to add another 6. And then back to 6.
Yeah.
And then minus it, which is 0. Now it's 2. So we can't do that. So now we put the 0.
Put this 2 there. Yeah, 1, 2 is there. Then you put the 2 there too.
2 here. Sorry.
So always when you take numbers, immediately you need to put it there. Otherwise you will forget, right? So now it's 0, 2.
So actually, what we have to do now is we have to put 0
so
here.
3 times 0 is?
3 times 0 is 0.
Yeah.
So we put 0 here.
Yeah.
Minus it is
so you got
2. It's just sideways.
And now it's 24 will become here.
I'll just put it over here.
So 24.
24.
So which table? In table, what number will come? 3 times 8?
3 times 3. I don't know.
3 times 8.
3 times 7. 3 times 8. Yeah, 3 times 8. So 8 will come up here.
Yeah.
And then 24 will come up.
Yeah, so the remainder is 0.
Oh, I didn't put the minus. 0.
There you go.
So then the remainder is 0.
Rule is the number is divisible by 3 if the
we read
that one. So let's see the next number. What do you think, Lena? What will be the sum of that digit?
It will be 19.
7 plus 8.
It's 19.
10.
It's 19. That's what's 19.
How are you going? So 8 plus 2 is 10.
No. 7 plus 8 equals 15 plus 4 equals 19.
Okay. So is 19 divisible by 3? Sorry.
No.
Yeah. So what will be the remainder for that?
The remainder will be 1.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. You're right.
19.
See,
remainder is 1.
Easy.
Remainder is 1.
So next?
check with long division. We don't really have to do this one because
Yeah.
we already did the other one.
Yeah, I can
Plus
keep
it'll show.
practicing.
So the
by
remainder
your
is
own.
1 for this.
Yeah. So next is when dividing
Dividing.
any integers by 3, what are the only possible remainders? Let's see.
Oh, I
Or
think
what
I
is the
know what
answer?
it is.
So A 0, 1, 2, B 0, 1, 3, C 1, 2, 3, and D 0, 2, 3. Which will be the answer?
I think it's A.
And why?
Because 0, 1, 2, and then it's down below 3.
Good.
So you can't times it
Yeah.
by 3.
Yeah.
Like you can't get that answer.
Yeah, good. So let's see if you are right.
Unless if it's 3 times 0.
Yeah, so you are right.
Yeah.
Next problem. What is the remainder when 4, 5, 8, 2, 7 is divided by 3?
I think it's... Wait.
Can you
First
please
I gotta add
Yeah,
it.
you add it.
So 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 5 plus
9.
plus 5
Mhm.
is 15.
2 plus 4 is
19.
19 plus 7 is 26.
Yeah.
So 26 divided by 3 will be?
Oh, the remainder's 2.
Yeah. So
Okay.
number C.
C.
Letter C is the right answer. You're right. Next, which of the following numbers will have a remainder of 1 when divided by 3? So what do you think? So before we get the answer, we have to do what? What strategy we need to use?
We have to add up all the numbers.
Find out, right? So let's see what we added.
But first, let's see what we think that it is.
No.
I think it's A.
Yeah, let's see.
Correct answer is...
Yeah, but let's see the example.
It's supposed to be A. Okay?
Yeah. So sum of this digit is 25. Next, B will be 24. C will be 29 and D will be 18. So
That's...
So 25 divided by 3 will be what, Lina?
Remainder?
2. Why?
It's big. No, it's remainder
1 or 2?
It's 1.
Yeah. So 3 times 6 is?
3 times 6 is...
No, it will be 8. 3 times 8, right?
Yeah, 3 times 8 will be 24.
Yeah, so it will be remainder 1. 24 divided by 3?
24 divided by 3 would be 8.
8 and remainder will be 0. And 29 divided by 3?
29 divided by 3 would be remainder 1. I mean, no.
Remainder
2.
3 times 9, 27.
Yes, sir.
And 18?
And this is 0.
Yeah, 18. 3 times 6 is 8.
And that is it.
Yeah, so hope you learned some new strategy of Division 3 and keep practicing mental math. See you guys next time.
Bye.